Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 645, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So, let's press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the Do Not Disturb mode or Do Not Disturb option. And then to enable it, press the start button, start/stop button. And as you can see, it switched to on and the icon changed the color. Now you can press the back button and the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. If you want to disable the mode, simply press and hold the light button again to open the controls menu. Select the Do Not Disturb option. As you can see, it's on. Press the start/stop button and it's gonna switch to off and the color of the icon will change. And then you can press the back button. And that's how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode via the settings on your watch. So you can press and hold the up button to open the menu. Then use the down button to scroll through the menu. Select the settings option and press the start/stop button to open. Now, scroll through the menu until you find the system. Oh, no, not the system, my bad. Yes, the system. Okay, so we need to select the system. Press the start/stop button to enter. And now we can scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb option, select it, press the start/stop button. And here we have status option. And you can press start/stop button to enable or disable it, to change the status. You can also enable and disable the sleep time option. This option is available when your watch is paired with a phone, and you can set up the sleep time on the phone. And basically what it does is it turns on the Do Not Disturb mode automatically at certain time and turns it off at a different time, automatically of course. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.